Okay fellas, I have received this Milwaukee wrench with the message that the engine is not working. I want to take out the armature. I have received it disassembled. It packed very well. Thanks for the customer for that. Okay, now I want to take the armature out. Okay, got the armature out. You can see that this one is moving. Let's check the inside here. Okay, looks like that. I need wire to turn it on. Testing battery. So we can see that the controller basically works. Okay, strange. Okay, let's check what we have here. Do we have the voltage on or down? Okay, 9. So I need to hold it and press it somehow. What we have here. Okay. 9465. Okay, now we want to press the button. Yeah, the button works, so it gives the power. And for some reason you don't have any movement here. Okay, I want to check here the voltage. Okay. Let's try to measure something. No, nothing. Okay, we have no live here. A little bit strange that we have no live any of the voltage here. Yeah, it's starting to get something. Okie dokie. Yeah, let's check. Maybe we have the spare field with the whole sensors here. And after testing, got the result that the controller is faulty, so I have the used part. Of course, you can check my online shop. Sometimes I'm selling the used parts for various tools, and it's good that I have this part. Yeah, it works. Okay, so let's assemble this tool. Check what we have for the parts here. Okay. Now we need to manage all the wires here. I believe the sticker here, I will know if it will return to the repair or something. I will know that this one was here in my shop. Okay, just making sure that everything spins. Okay, it looks assembled. Working. Need to test it. Works fine. Breaks the glove. It's enough for us to use it. Okay, as you can see, the used parts and the saves, the big money. Thank you for watching. Thumbs up and bye.